Do you strain and squint while reading small print? Carrying around your glasses can be bulky, and you can never find them when you need them. Introducing Magni Charm from JML, the sleek, stylish and convenient magnifying glass pendant that's always at your fingertips. Magni Charm enlarges any print or any image up to 3 times its original size, so everything looks bigger, clearer and easier to read. Stylish, sophisticated and discreet, Magni Charm looks just like a regular pendant. The extra long chain means the magnifying lens is always within reach. And with 3 times magnification on hand, it's perfect for those everyday tasks, at home, at work, or while shopping. Now you can easily read the print on your prescription bottles so you'll never make a dangerous mistake, or to clearly see instructions when following recipes. Stop struggling to see what's on your phone. Use Magni Charm to instantly magnify and easily read small print on your phone screen. Struggling to read the ingredients in the supermarket? Magni Charm makes it easy to read the tiny print on packages. And it's so easy to check prices before you go to the till. Magni Charm's elegant pendant is available in silver or gold tone finish, so you can look stylish while at the restaurant and still easily read the small print menu. Because Magni Charm magnifies up to 3 times the size. There's nothing more annoying than misplacing your glasses. But Magni Charm works like a charm, wherever and whenever you need crystal clear vision, and is the perfect gift for that special someone who has everything but just can't find it. Forget squinting, straining, and the constant battle to find your glasses. Give yourself crystal clear magnification to make reading small print easy and painless with the stylish, convenient Magni Charm from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.